All right. So today what I want to do is I want to talk about this indicator. The indicator with a win rate of approximately 65%. Then if you really look at it for day trading in the spot market, it's actually a lot more powerful. It demonstrates a win rate, in the neighborhood of 85%. And in addition to all of that, I am going to spend a bit of time explaining exactly how to effectively configure the indicator. So, first things first, let me introduce myself. My name is Crypto-Quebec, and I am a trader, obviously, and I win trades. That's what I do. At any point in time, if you have a mind to, in the description below, you can absolutely come and join me. There are around 2,810 people in the group right now as it currently stands. And as you can see for yourself, the results from my trades are posted there. You can even see that the other people who trade with me are getting rather excellent results as well. So you see it right there. This morning alone, the live trading session produced $105,000. And here we are, if we pan over here, you can see close to 5.5 million. That was my trade from yesterday, coming in at around 12,500, 5,659, 5,015, 712, 1,969. And I'm talking about per trade. I'm rocking a win rate of around 90%. So if all of that sounds interesting to you, you can find all of the details down in the description. Okay, so this indicator, as the win rate of the setup RMI Trend Sniper, the version 1421, you will see that is exactly what we are going to be configuring here today. It's the fastest way for you to perform some successful day trading. This will situate you between approximately 65% and 65% for all of that, the exact same as the backtests. You see, here, the backtests with those last 100 trades performed on the 15-minute time frame gave you approximately 63 grand with a ratio of 1-to-1. So if your 1,000 becomes 2,000 and 65 out of 68 grand, that is really strong as far as win rates go. So what you need to do, what we all need to do, is come down to the 15-minute time frame and adjust the indicator accordingly. You see it right here. Already, this would have been a successful winning trade for you. You take the trade right here, boing, 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 a super trade. The same deal here. Right here, all the way to here, no problems whatsoever, it's another winning trade. Again, right here, all the way to here, another winning trade. Even here, we had all the same, still a very good base down here. So if we just adjust the indicator a little, just like ChatGPT is directing us to, we will just go with a 1421. We will swing right over there and check that out. 1421, boing right here. And over here, 14, we could just leave that at 21. And what is that telling us? It's all a bit more on the late side. So we should probably have it a little quicker, a faster reaction speed. And it's telling us 14, should we change that to 66? Or maybe... And on the other side, if we do happen to get along, everything that we need is to cash out of this bank right here. So as soon as we have a wick or a pullback, we just take the trade. And the target right over here, the indicator is telling us, it's at the top of the new zone there. 220-220. That is entirely possible presently. I have come here. In the meantime, I'm making a clone on this iteration, and it is brand new. If this brand of thing appeals to you, I emphatically invite you to please subscribe. If you are looking to come and join me right here, well, in the description, yes, you have the option of just coming and joining me. And that goes a long way in rounding out all that is this current indicator. A free one, no less, and really quite cool. Nothing excessive, obviously, no overly high leverage, because when you actually take this given trade, look, here there is a pretty significant pullback. You can easily find yourself getting shaken out, But on the spot market especially, it is fairly easy to cope with. So very easy indeed. You really can't find yourself unbalanced when you are on the spot market. You just buy and then sell those tokens, just like when you buy and then resell trading cards. It's quite an easy phase. Well, that wraps up the entirety of this here video. I hope that you thoroughly appreciate that. I'm going to say thank you a whole lot. And so, until next time, goodbye.